of a smell. And the more I say the microphone, the worse my thoughts become. Now, the smell will not make you feel sick. I repeat, the smell does not make you feel sick. But when I say the word microphone, I cut a thought so nasty, so disgusting, you feel the breeze shoot on my ass. You understand that? Just so happens on two. Very good. And again, the smell will not make you feel sick, but the more I say microphone, the worse I smell. 1 and 2. Open your eyes, feeling good. I was on 2. Want you to open your eyes, feeling good? All right. How's it feel better? Like a Benjamin, sir? Very good. Now, I've been doing shows 16 years, and usually, this is the truth, I got a brand new microphone that I brought me tonight, and that didn't work. And the microphone, what it was, is it needs a thing called phantom power. If anybody knows anything about microphones and about sound system, phantom power is a little button that gives a little more juice to the microphone. And obviously, the microphone didn't work because we don't have phantom power. And I screwed up myself, and that's why my buddy Jeff took the microphone off, put this microphone on. It's not even my microphone, it's the club's microphone, which is fantastic. It works good. But I like my own microphone, because I take the microphone, I pass it around, and I move it out. Hold on, it's this microphone cord here. It's in the way here. But I feel more comfortable using my own microphone because, like I said, if I drop it and break the microphone, I break my microphone, not their microphone, you know?